Are you tired of wasting time on administrative tasks? Meet QuoteIQ, the ultimate window cleaning business software designed to save you time and effort. With QuoteIQ, you can send quick quotes, schedule jobs effortlessly, and collect payments in a snap. Imagine saving 10 hours per week to focus on growth. Get ready to impress your customers with professional quotes that are easy to approve. Our scheduling feature keeps you organized and provides a seamless experience for your clients. Say goodbye to payment headaches. With QuoteIQ, you can accept payments easily, ensuring you get paid faster. Don't settle for less. Start your free 14-day trial today and transform your window cleaning business with QuoteIQ.